Hey biscuits, welcome back to the channel. So today I did a poll on our community settings and everybody seemed to vote for dusting. So I want to give you some of my dusting tips. I have, and you've seen these in other videos, some areas that are really high ceilings for my small space, and those can be a little tricky to get to. Hold on, sweetie. Hold on. And I'm going to show you kind of how I get with just my little reusable duster, how I get to all the nooks and crannies, get everything clean, get everything to work. Because I find that I breathe better, there's less allergies, and I just prefer a space that isn't dusty. And it's not even cobwebs, it's just little spots you'll find are dusty. You think, oh, what's that? So I'm going to use a duster, and then I'm also going to use wipes to show you how to get dust off of surfaces that you might not even see is there. You'll be surprised what you find. It always kind of horrifies me, like, that was there this whole time. Oh my God. So come along and let's get clean. Woohoo! So one thing I do before I dust is I whip up a brand new batch of my cleaning solution, and then I put in a little bit. Can you see that? Now for this I pick sweet pea essential oil, but you can do any oil that you like the smell of, and then I just put a few drops in. Okay, and now we're ready to use this in our dusting. If you've watched this, you know what I do when I'm gonna dust? I spray my duster with, I don't know, 2-3 squirts of my cleaning solution. And you can use any multi-purpose cleaner, or you can make your own, like I like to. That's gonna help the dusting. Let's get dusting. Alright, so now we've dusted with our duster, we've used the extension pole, we've done just by hand, keeping it a little bit moist with our clean solution. Not wet, just a little moist, so it's picking up the dust a little bit more. Now I'm going to wipe down surfaces that might need a little bit more of a scrub or might just need a wet towel. So I do 2 different options depending on what I'm scrubbing, how much time I have, and how big of a surface. Good job, now you gotta go scrub over there.
Wait.
And then when you're done with that, you gotta go scrub over there too, on the stairs.
I need to tell you where.
Okay, well, scrub there, dust the wall, over there, by the curtain. So what I use is either just a diaper wipe, and these are super handy. If you are doing a quick dusting, just grab right over there. Yeah.
Now can clean on the stairs.
You can go clean on the stairs if you want.
Go down clean on the stairs.
Good job.
I tried clean on the stairs and
Go clean on the stairs, that's good. It's great to get your kids involved in cleaning. I will say, it's difficult to get your kids involved in cleaning when you're also trying to film your vlog, but that is the honesty of my channel. This is parenting. This is trying to clean while parenting. But diaper wipes are great for something that's not too dusty. Yes, right there, my love. That is, just needs a quick wipe up for dusting. They're amazing. And also sometimes I'll use them on big projects. I just have to use several. I love them. Oh, you definitely aren't. I see cobwebs right there, my little biscuit. You gotta spot all the cobwebs. So for bigger duty things, or when I am really...
Wait up there, Mama.
Well, then sit down and take a break if you're feeling tired. You can use kitchen towel. I have special towels that are either low texture, so if I just want to wipe, or these that are more textured. These are dish towels that I use for something I have to scrub. And what I do is I spray in my cleaning solution onto my towel. Nothing revolutionary. And I get it all ready for cleaning. Thank you, Lovesicle. Good job. Thank you, Bubba Goo. okay, I'll just keep it there. And those are kind of my two cleaning surface ones. So I'm going to show you
Now
what I use these different cleaning materials on for different dustings. Hey love, are you going to help dust? Okay, take this. Go dust the coffee table.
That's the coffee
No,
table.
strictly speaking, we don't really dust the coffee table, we scrub it, but that's good for multi-purpose. So let me show you how I dust my little detail work. As you can see, just with the diaper wipe, right, it doesn't have a lot of texture, so it's not digging in deep to grout lines or to any textured materials or anything with depth and crevasses. You see all that dust that comes off, and I probably haven't dusted that in 2 weeks. I don't know. I feel like I probably wipe it down every week when I do my wipe downs, but you know, I don't give it a good scrub, right? And those are things where the lamp looks pretty clean to start off with, right? You wouldn't think that it's going to have that much coming off it, but everything in your house, I'll clean the top of. I was shooting a Patreon video about cleaning in the bathroom, and I was doing all the detail work. So I was doing like the artwork that I have in my bathroom, cleaning the top of that frame. I'm amazed how many things come off of it. So diaper wipes are great for things that aren't too dirty and that you just want a clean thing. A quick speed clean, a quick speed dust, right? Take 3 diaper wipes, go through your whole living room, boom, you've dusted everything that's at your height. That's, you know, TVs or bookcases or entertainment systems, lamps, anything that gathers some of that dust. Now I'm going to show you some of our kind of bigger scrub dusting that I do with my towels. Hope that inspired you to get out there and go dust a little bit. Find spots in your house that you thought, these are sparkling clean, I don't need to do anything. And then boom, they actually benefit from some dusting. So you can use all these different dusting techniques. These are just easy ways I have found to clean with my little monkey. You know, if he's distracted watching a cartoon, just getting a little bit of time in there to tidy up. You can do your whole house in one rampage, or you can take time and just kind of do one little spot and then come back the next day and do another, you know? It doesn't have to be an all or nothing cleaning game. So until my next video, hey, as always, follow along on Instagram. I love it when you click down in the description box for the links to all of my romance novels that I write and also all of the homewares that I create and design, and you can get those off of my Zazzle shop. I link right in the description box. If you follow on Instagram, you see all my photos that I take of him around our house, of the pillows I design and the mugs and all the t-shirts I designed for men and women and little kids. So you can do a whole family outfit from my shop. I was going to say mommy and me, but mommy, daddy, and me. You can do a whole family outfit, which is a lot of fun. I love seeing that. Until next time, thank you so much for liking these videos and subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate seeing it grow and building our little cleaning family lifestyle channel on here. Okay, see y'all around.